This is a tutorial on how to add a subject to a student. So to get started, you're logging in as the administrator. Only the administrator can actually deal with the subjects module. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to just make sure that there's a student called Susie Smith that is not appearing on the fine arts subject. So when the parent logs in, she can't see the subject fine arts. So I'm going to click on the little pencil icon over here. I'm going to scroll down, and these are all the children that are allocated to the subject, and Susie Smith is not linked to that subject. So to add her, all I need to do is do a search for students, click on view all students. I'm going to type in here Susie Smith, there she is. Now I'm going to click on the little one that says subjects. And you'll notice that she's not linked to fine arts. So I'm going to click on add to a subject. Okay, so select a subject to add Susie to, and there is fine arts over there. And I'm going to click add to subject. Cool. So now she's linked to that subject. You can always come down on the student's profile itself. You can scroll down and click on the one here that says add to a subject. That might be a quicker way to do it if you want. But you can see now that she's linked to that subject over there. If you want to allocate a student, like a whole class to a subject, there's a faster way to do it. So let's say, let's just find a subject quickly over here. Let's go into Bible studies. So let's click on the pencil icon. So these children are all linked to that subject. Let's say that there were I'm just going to delete all these children from that subject quickly. Let's just quickly update it. Okay, so Bible study now, you'll notice that there's no students linked to it. So to add the whole of, let's say, I want to add the whole of the sharks class, I literally tick sharks and click on update subject. Now if I go back into it, let's just quickly add a teacher. Okay, if I go back into Bible study and I click on the little pencil icon, you'll see that the whole of the sharks class is now linked to that subject. And then again, if you want to delete, a specific child, just tick them and then click update and it'll delete them. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.